Question 15 is about enthalpy change of producing 1 mole of ozone. So first look at the equilibrium tool. If you want to produce 1 mole of ozone, we need to have a 3 carbon dioxide, but the process is reversed. So the enthalpy change for this step is plus 992 kilojoules. And then how to produce a 3 carbon dioxide? Look at the equilibrium one, the first step. Okay, we need a 1.5 step, right? And also the step is reversed. So the enthalpy change is also reversed to negative 566. But we need a 1.5 reaction. So the total enthalpy change is the summation of these two values. So the answer is C. Thank you.